few words prove to be the good for the thought that keeps us thinking about our deeds as well. Muhammad Zain will come to share his thought of the day, which will also reflect the topic of our assembly.
The thought of the day is a drop of water is like a sack of gold to a thirsty man. Thank you.
Now, I will formally introduce the topic of our assembly. Yes, it is water conservation. It is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water usage. My class, 7 Silver, has prepared a mind play. I hope you will like the effort and the message of mine as well. Thank you, Class 7 Silver. According to Freshwater, water conservation is important as we would be facing scarcity of clean water soon in Pakistan. It is limited as well as a precious resource. Save water, save the planet Earth. In the end, I would like to say thank you to all who provided us the chance to give a message to the society, which is you and my class as well. With this note, we, 7 Silver, wind up our morning assembly.